And welcome back to the library management system tutorial. I'm going to now log out of this. The only bit that works is just these two because they were developed using macro. So I'm going to come in here, right click and select design view. Yeah, I think it will like me to enter a value there. Let's get rid of it anyway. Right click and just design view. There we go. Okay, the first thing I like to do is to start work on the following buttons. But before then, let me show you guys this properly. You see here, if I select this, I want the date here. Okay, the day borrowed and the date due. Okay, so if you select a book, the maximum might be maybe 8 or 2 weeks. So to get that working, what I did was you select this very component here. I selected this and I come to the control source. That's my control source there, and this is the formula used. Equals date different, open a bracket, quote, D for date, close the quote, comma, date borrowed, and that is this text box I'm referring to now. Alright, that text box is actually inside the square brackets, comma, square bracket, date due, this very one. So that formula, I've actually entered that on my description area, and it's right here. Okay, the description, on the description area you will see the URL of that very formula. Okay, but in my own case, instead of using this, I just change that to my own date there. Alright, if you want to see this, I can always show it to you. Let me open up Notepad and I just paste it on Notepad. You see it properly. That is it. That's just the formula I enter in there. This is the name of my one of my text field, the other name of the text field there. Okay, let's increase the font size, and that is it right there. Okay, my text field in a square bracket, the second one in a square bracket, then it's compared. This is the formula. So whatever your text field is, just enter the one you want to subtract from the other one. That's it. That's all there is to that. Okay, now let's come in here. I'm going to select this button. Once you select this button, what I want to do is to go to the event. Inside the event, I'm now going to use the click event. I'm using the click events right there. There are different events, but the one I want to use is the click one. Select the click event, and there this dialog box pops up. Let's select code builder. There we go. And in there, what I want to do is I'm going to say do command dot, I want you to show toolbar, comma, quote, and that will be for the ribbon, close the quote, comma, and that is going to be for yes. So I'm going to select that. So the other one is going to be for no, so which means I want the ribbon gone and I want the ribbon to show. So the second one, that is for no, right here. Make sure it's selected. Repeat exactly the same thing. Come to the event. The event I'm using again is the click event. Coming right here, code builder, click on OK, drop it right there. I'm just going to change this one to no. There, that is it. So if we come back to the form here now, just let's go to view the form. We can select yes, that is it, no, we don't want to see the ribbon. Yes, we would like to see the ribbon. That's just what that single line of code does. Okay, as for the date borrowed, if I click on date borrowed, let's say today's date 25th, and date, let's say date due to be returned. Let's click here. That's it, 6 dates. Okay, let's go for November, whatever. There. See, that's how that single line of code that you saw work, the one you saw inside the properties. So that is fine. Now let's take care of the exit. I'll come in here, right click, design view. Let's come to the exit, select the exit. Okay, for the exit, make sure it's selected, and let's come to the property there. That's it for the exit. You can see that there. I'm going to be using the event on click as well. I'll come in here, select that, and there we go. So the first thing I like to do for the exit is I'm going to declare as follows. We declare by saying dim I exit as VB message box result. Okay, now my data type is in place. I'm going to say I exit equals message box, and inside the message box, let's just say confirm if you want to exit, and close that. Enter a comma there. Let's use VB question, Q for question, and plus the other parameter that's going to be yes no parameter, comma, and the last parameter I'm just going to call that library management system. Right there. So close that there. Now let's use a conditional statement to determine the option made. If I exit equals VB yes, then what I want the system to do is do command, then with a D dot close here, dot close, comma, there we go, and I can just end it, and if there, that is my exit taken care of as well. So let's run it and see how it's going to look like. Click on that and just right click here and or here, and let's select form view. Okay, collapse that. Exit, no. Exit, yes, save changes. Alright, that's fine. It's all working the way I want. Okay, what else is left? Right, my form load. On the form load, I want you to load up the title here. Okay, to achieve that, what I'm going to do is select the form itself, and we want it to be form load, but it's not here. Let's right click on it, event builder. Okay, detail click. Now the one that's drop this down. Let's select form. There we go, and here, there we go. We now have form load. The first thing I'm going to do is let's say command, do command dot maximize, right, and in here I'm going to say me dot list. My list box is list 141. Yeah, let's move that up so that you guys can see it. List 141 dot add item, and the first item is going to be member member type, then and I want a space, and the next one is going to be reference number, and so on. There, speed that up. Okay, I think that is for that's for the headings of the list box. Have a good look at it. I have 13 of those there. Right, let's come in here, go back in here and just bring it out. Right click, view the form. There we go. Those are the headings for the list box in place. Okay, that is taken care of as well. And this is the major one. We need some. We've done this. Yes, this is taken care of. This is taken care of. No, 1 2 3, that's fine. And this one, update, and this are the major one. Let's take care of the update, then we'll take care of this later on. Right click. For the updates, let's right click on the form itself, go to build event, and right here I need to declare as follows. Let's say dim, I'm going to call it string 1, comma, let's say string 2 as well, string number 2, comma, and string 3, comma, and so on. There, those are my variables declared. The next thing is right underneath here, and now I want to create a function. And this function, let me call it add underscore data, and let's give the function a name. It's a CT, okay, and speed that up though. There, I had to speed that up as well because it's taking some time. That's it. That's the function. There, up to there. Okay, I will now call this very function inside my button here. So take a good look at the variables that are declared. My function. Okay, and let's go onto the form load itself, the form itself, and grab that very button, this one. Okay, we want it to be click. Okay, the event we're using is click. Click on that and come right down here. There we go. Right there. Right there. If you guys can still remember, all of these strings that were declared equals me dot member type dot value. The next one is going to be string number 2 equals me dot reference number dot value. And the next one is going to be title. String number 3 equals me dot title dot value. There. And let's do one more, then we'll speed that up. String number 4 equals me dot first name dot value. And I can't remember, just say that's surname anyway, me dot surname. me dot surname there dot value. Okay, let's see, me dot surname, there we go, dot value. Okay, it's case sensitive there, so I'm going to speed that up. Okay, I've now assigned all of my component to the variables. So the next thing we want to do now is to say me dot list 141 equals add underscore, that is data. I am now making reference to my function here. Okay, so bring it down and open a bracket, list 141 comma equals add string number 1, add string number 2, add string number 3, and so on. So I'm just going to copy that, speed that up, and change this to run. There, let me just change it to run and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, that is the lines of code there. So the next thing I want to do now is let's come in here and just try it out. Alright, just select anything. No, that's wrong. Just to be sure that it will populate that. And there we go. Let's come down. See, there we go, guys. Look at that. That is fine. Yeah, that's working fine. That's good. So the next thing I want to do now is when I select this, I want it to populate all of these. So do 1 or 2 and you guys can, so we can just take it from there. So let's do maybe about, let's do 1 and copy it around. Okay, go to design view. Alright, make sure you select the list box. You can, and let's go to the event area, the property. Let's select the click event, code builder, click on OK, and right in there, what I want to do is if me, that should be uppercase, me dot book list is called dot value equals, the first one is Cinderella. There we go. Make sure the spelling is correct, else it's not going to work. Then I want the following to happen: book underscore ID equals ISBN, and I'm just gonna enter whatever in there, 494 788 73. Yeah, that's fine. That's alright. Now book title. Oh, we need to lock this up here. Let's go for book title. Book title equals we just call that Cinderella. Copy and paste it there. Now next one is author. author, I'm gonna call him Johnny King. What's going on? Johnny King. And the next one is gonna be late return underscore. Was there any fine equals, that has a default anyway, £2.90 there. And finally, selling price for this very book. If you misplace it, I'm gonna go for 19 here. There. And if. That's all there is to it. So if I come in here and run this out, let's try it out now. I'll click on Cinderella. There we go. You see that, guys? So all I just need to do is to copy that and change it around for the rest. So let's come in here and come right down here. Right click, events. There we go. Let's copy it and use else if. Copy. Else if. There. And now just change the names around. Let's copy it and change it all around. And I'll get back to you guys shortly. There we go, guys. It's all taken care of. Just take it from here. It's exactly the same lines of codes for all of the books. There we go. The only difference is just the name, the ISBN that I actually made up, and the title. There. So with that, guys, I'm going to run the program and we can call it the end of this very tutorial. Let's come in here, select that, and there, maybe whatever book. Let's go for I Love Canada. I truly do love that country. Yeah. Now let's look for a captain. I think I'm going to make myself the captain. Captain Paul Lumen. I am a true captain because I'm a fully qualified pilot, for those that don't know. 15. Let's see, Felix Lane. Let's call that 7 Kuwaiti. Yeah. Postcode, whatever. And telephone number. Don't call that number. It's incorrect. And there, guys. So how long do I want the book for? Let's say I want it just for, okay, the duration for this book might be for up to, how many days is that? 18 days. That's cool. Alright, and that's it. So guys, with that, I'm going to call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoyed, and please do subscribe, and you have a nice day now. There we go. And bye for now, guys. Bye, guys, and have a nice one.